What's up, it's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. This is going to be the second video on this unit, and today I wanted to do a couple bombshell curls and a super easy baby hair tutorial look. So as you can see, she is a wavy unit. She is, if I'm not mistaken, 180% density, 24 inches, a lace front wig. And if you did want to see the style that I did on her the first time, I'm gonna link the video down below. It was like a messy half up, half down. A lot of people love that so much. So with this one, I want to keep the fullness in her. I just want to add a little bit more texture to her, so I'm just gonna put some 5-minute curls instead. So I'm going to be using this curling wand. This is curling wand I really like to use. I really like to use this to lay the top part of my wig. So I'm gonna lay her, and then we're going to get to curling. Super easy. And then yeah, so the hairline, it looks as if it is slightly pre-plucked, but personally, once you do the baby hairs and stuff and you get the little finessage going, it like won't look bad. But yeah, I'm gonna let this heat up. But this is what I like to do. So I like to take it, I've shown you this several times, so if you watch any of my videos, oh, I just burned my forehead, you know how I gets down. I don't want a part in her, so I do want to do like one of these moments, you know. But I love how the hair is already wavy. I like the texture that it already is, but I've been like playing in it, I've been laying in it, so you know, it's just a little frizzy. So let's just touch it up. And to do big waves, you actually, let me show you. So you basically just want to twist, you want to wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist. It's all in the wrist. And that'll give you like a look like a wave kind of moment, if that makes sense. See? You see that? It's a wave, not a curl, but a wave. And that's what we want. So I'm gonna continue to do that all the way around. Just a quick, easy tutorial on how to do some big waves. And this is gonna give you like a Hollywood wave kind of thing. That's the look that I'm going for. So now that you see we got the old Hollywood jumping out, I just want to you see the texture that it's giving? Oh, Hollywood vibes. And I also love the texture that my body wave wigs come in. That makes sense. When I first get my body wave wigs, I don't like to run my fingers to it, even though it's kind of like hard to do that. But like this just basically mimics the way that it'll look fresh out the box, and that's what I go for. That's like the look that I love. So now to finish the look all off, I do just want to do baby hair moment. And I'm gonna use this like edge control stuff. I wouldn't recommend that because it's kind of greasy. So this is the look that we got from the wand. It is like a 1-inch curling wand. A 1-inch curling wand. So yeah, this is just a big old Hollywood kind of inspired look. And it really didn't even take that long. It maybe took like 3 seconds. But yeah, this is such a classic look. It's cute, it's full. It really looks natural and I love it. This hair is again from Beauty Forever Hair. Everything on this unit is going to be down in the description box down below. And if you do pick this wig up, please let them know that Kiamani sent you. What y'all like about this? I feel like I look so cute with full hair, especially with it in my face like such. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.